Welcome to the Citra21 channel, your gateway for exciting and engaging content. Join us for an exciting journey. Subscribe for the latest video release. In the digital age, the world is at our fingertips, and so are countless ways to earn. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular methods of generating passive income online: affiliate marketing. Imagine turning your passion into profit, promoting products or services you love, and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral links. That's the power of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a simple yet effective way of earning online. You sign up for affiliate programs with brands or products that resonate with you. They provide you with unique tracking links to share. The beauty of this system is that it's accessible to anyone with an internet connection and the will to invest time and effort. You might be thinking, but I'm not a salesperson. Here's the catch: you don't have to be. Affiliate marketing isn't about hard selling, it's about sharing. It's about using your voice, your platform, to recommend products or services you genuinely believe in. It's about building trust with your audience and guiding them to make informed purchasing decisions. What makes affiliate marketing so powerful is its potential. With the right strategy and dedication, your earning potential is limitless. You can earn while you sleep, while you travel, or while you spend time with your loved ones. It's passive income at its finest. There's a world of opportunity waiting for you in affiliate marketing. It's a journey that requires dedication, authenticity, and the willingness to learn. But the rewards can be substantial. You not only get to earn, but you also get to grow, reach out to people, and make a positive impact through the products or services you promote. So the question is, are you ready to unlock your earning potential? Affiliate marketing might sound complex, but it's actually quite simple. It's all about leveraging your online presence to promote products or services in return for a commission on each sale made through your referral links. Let's take a closer look at how it all works. First things first, you need to sign up for an affiliate program. Many brands and online marketplaces offer these programs. Once you've signed up, the brand will provide you a unique tracking link. This link is the key to your commissions. It's how the brand will know that a customer has come from you. So, you've got your affiliate program and your unique tracking link. What next? Well, it's time to share that link. This is where your blog, social media platforms, or email marketing come into play. The more eyeballs on your link, the more potential for sales. Now, here's a crucial point. It's not just about spamming your link everywhere. It's about sharing and recommending products that you genuinely believe in. Authenticity is key in affiliate marketing. If your audience trusts you, they'll trust your recommendations and be more likely to make purchases through your links. Once you've shared your link and a purchase is made, the brand will track that sale back to your unique link. And voila, you've just earned a commission. The beauty of it all is that you can earn these commissions while you sleep. It's passive income at its finest. And that's it. That's the basic mechanics of affiliate marketing. You sign up, get your link, share your link, and earn commissions. It's a simple, straightforward process that can be incredibly rewarding. And the best part, the earning potential is truly limitless. It all depends on how much effort you put into promoting your links and building trust with your audience. And just like that, you have your own affiliate marketing setup. It's a journey that's as exciting as it is profitable. So why not start today? Now, you might be wondering, what do I do with these links? Well, the answer lies in how well you promote them. Let's dive into the various ways you can make your affiliate links work for you. First off, social media. In a world where almost everyone is connected through various platforms, social media serves as an excellent channel to promote your affiliate links. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, each platform provides a unique opportunity to reach different audiences. Share your links in posts, stories, or even in your bio. But remember, overpromotion can lead to audience fatigue, so balance is key. Next, Blogging. If you have a blog or a website, it's a perfect place to share your affiliate links. You can write reviews, create product comparisons, or simply mention the products in your posts. The key here is to seamlessly integrate your affiliate links into content that is both valuable and engaging for your readers. Email marketing is another powerful tool. If you have a subscriber list, you can send regular newsletters featuring your affiliate products. However, make sure your emails provide more than just promotional content. Mix in some helpful tips, relevant news, or personal stories to keep your audience engaged and looking forward to your next email. Now, let's talk about authenticity. The trust of your audience is your most valuable asset. Always promote products that you truly believe in and that align with your personal values. This way, your audience will perceive your recommendations as genuine, which will increase the likelihood of them clicking on your links and making a purchase. Don't forget, successful affiliate marketing isn't about selling, it's about recommending. Be a source of trusted advice, not a pushy salesperson. This approach will resonate with your audience and lead to more clicks, more sales, and more commissions for you. Remember, authentic promotion leads to genuine engagement and ultimately more sales. So get out there, start promoting your affiliate links, and watch as your earning potential skyrockets. You have your links and you're promoting them authentically. So what's next? Well, that's where the magic happens. Each time someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you're not just earning a one-time fee. The more products you sell, the more you earn. Imagine this. Every time someone buys a product through your link, it's like a virtual high five from the company saying, "Hey, thanks for bringing us a customer." And the best part, you don't have to worry about the logistics of the sale. The company handles everything from customer service to shipping the product. Your role is simply to connect the buyer with the seller, and voila, you earn your commission. The earning potential with affiliate marketing is truly limitless. You're not restricted by the number of hours you can work or the number of products you can sell. The online world is your oyster. With the power of social media and the internet, you can reach millions of potential customers around the globe, all from the comfort of your home. Now, you might be thinking, but what if I don't have a large following? No worries, every great marketer started somewhere. Remember, it's not about the size of your audience, but the quality of your content and the authenticity of your recommendations. So, how much can you earn? Well, that depends on the commission rate, the price of the product, and the volume of your sales. Some companies offer a flat rate per sale, while others offer a percentage. The more sales you generate, the more you earn. The key is to be patient and persistent. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time, but with each click, with each sale, your earnings will grow, and before you know it, you'll be reaping the rewards of your hard work. With every click and every sale, your earning potential grows. So keep sharing, keep promoting, and watch your earnings soar. Affiliate marketing isn't just about earning money. It's about turning your passion into profit. This isn't your typical 9-to-5 job where you slog for hours trading your time for money. No, this is about harnessing the power of the digital world to create a stream of passive income where you can earn while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your loved ones. Imagine this. You start off promoting products or services you genuinely love and believe in. You share your insights, your reviews, your experiences. People start to trust your recommendations. They click on your affiliate links and make purchases. And for every purchase, you earn a commission. But it doesn't stop there. As your audience grows, so does your earning potential. You're no longer limited by the number of hours you can work in a day. Your income isn't capped by a salary structure. Your earnings are only limited by your reach, your impact, your influence. And this is where the real power of affiliate marketing comes into play. It's not just about selling products. It's about building trust, establishing authority, and creating a community. It's about leveraging your passion to create a sustainable income source. one that can give you the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. We've seen countless success stories from lifestyle bloggers to tech enthusiasts who've used affiliate marketing to transform their lives. They've gone from living paycheck to paycheck to achieving financial independence. They've been able to quit their day jobs, travel the world, and spend more time doing what they love. Affiliate marketing is more than just a side hustle. It's a powerful tool that can help you break free from the constraints of a traditional job. It's a chance to take control of your income, your time, and ultimately, your life. So why wait? Join the affiliate marketing revolution today and start earning passive income while doing what you love.